In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email alerts in your account settings for a more streamlined and efficient notification experience. Many of us are bombarded with tons of emails each day, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed when important notifications get lost in the shuffle. That's why tailoring your email alerts can be an absolute game changer. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your profile. Typically, you'll find your profile in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will usually bring up a drop-down menu or take you to a page where you can see your basic profile details. From here, you want to find the Settings option. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Settings will usually take you to a comprehensive page where you control various aspects of your account, from privacy to notifications. Don't be intimidated by all the options available. We are heading straight to notifications. Now, within the settings menu, look for a section specifically labeled Notifications. This section is where you manage how you receive updates and information from your account. Click on this section to dive deeper into your notification settings. Once you're in the notification settings, you should see several options on how you can be alerted about different activities. We are focusing on email alerts today. By customizing these settings, you effectively decide which types of updates should land in your inbox. Take your time to go through the available email options. You might see categories like account activity, promotional alerts, reminders, or new offers depending on the service. Simply toggle on or off the specific alerts you wish to receive email notifications for. Customizing your email alerts not only helps with inbox management, but also ensures that you're not missing out on information pertinent to you. As you make adjustments, think about what notifications are essential for your day-to-day operations and which ones you might prefer to check directly in your account or set aside. Once you've made your selections, it's crucial to save these changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom or top of this section. Clicking Save ensures that your preferences are stored and will be implemented immediately. That's it. You've successfully customized your email alerts, aligning them precisely to your needs. Just remember, you can revisit and tweak these settings anytime as your preferences and priorities change. This small effort can significantly decrease unnecessary distractions in your inbox and make sure you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore other settings to optimize your account experience even more. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.